Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to make cover songs with AI. First, go to your browser and search create.musicfy.lol in the address bar. Open the website and log into your account. Click on Convert Voice located in the left menu bar. You can upload the audio or record the audio to convert. You can also paste the link to the YouTube video. There are two options to remove the instrumentals or remove reverb or echo. Click on the advanced settings to view more. You can set the pitch and format shift of the audio. Go to the new tab and open the X-Pro website. You can upload the file to edit the audio. Open a new tab and type Vocal Remover in the search bar. You will see different search results and scroll down to review them all. Go back to the UVR website and click to upload the file. Select the file from the library and click Open. It will take a few seconds to upload the file. After the upload, it will start processing. Wait for the file to finish processing. You can remove the instruments and vocals from the audio. Click on the option to download the instrumental, or you can download the vocals. I'll start downloading the audio. You can view the download in the download section. Go to the MusicFy website and you can upload the audio here. Open a new tab and open the Convertshow.com website. You can convert MP3 files to WAV online and for free. You can change the extensions of the audio from the drop-down menu. Click on the Choose File button to upload the audio file. Drag the file and upload it to the website. Click on the Convert button to start processing the convert. You have to wait a few seconds. After the conversion, click on Download to start downloading. You can view the download section to see the downloaded audio. Drag and drop the audio on the MusicFy website. After uploading, play the audio and scroll down. You can remove the instrumental or vocals from the given options. In Advanced Options, set the pitch of the audio and click Done. Remove the instrumental and vocals from the given option. Click on Select the Voice and browse hundreds of free voices. You can select the artist or search for it on the search bar. It will start uploading the artist's vocal. Now play the audio to make sure and click to download it. You can click on Download All to download both audios. Go to the instrumentals and you download the instrumentals. Open CapCut.com website in the new tab. You can add this audio to the video in CapCut. After adjusting the audio, export it to the gallery. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos.